Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new VTX, and it's from Aomway, and it's called the Tx004. This is a pretty cool little VTX here. It's pretty cheap too. It's under 20 bucks. It is a 20 by 20 mounting hole solution, so it's for like hyperlight builds as well as micros. But as you can tell, the hole sizes are the M3 type holes. So, you know, possibly they're aiming for the hyperlight builds here. Now, it is a 64 channel transmitter, and it is a selectable between 25, 100, and 200 milliwatts. It does also have pit mode and can be controlled through your Betaflight OSD. So that's just pretty cool, actually, for such a tiny little cheap guy. They do provide you with the dipolar antenna. So as you can tell here, the antennas are connected via IPEX port here. They also give you your JST type connector. It is silicone, so that's very good. And it does have a 5-volt regulator on board, so that's really nice to see if you wanted to power that up. It takes a 7 to 24 volt input. They do provide you with the instruction manual here, as you can tell right there. And, you know, they do also give us art, nylon nuts, and screws. So there's really nothing else much to say about this until I get it tested. I'm still working on my current setup to go ahead and test VTXs for how clean they are when they switch channels, when they boot, when you switch the output power, and all that kind of crazy good stuff. I'm still trying to get it down in a nice summarized view. I do have a nice little spectrum analyzer now, but I'm still trying to figure the best way to actually run these tests on. But overall, I mean, it looks like a really nice little guy. You know, there's nothing really much to say about VTXs. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool. It's very light too. It's like 2.8 grams. So it's just insane. And the status of what channel and what you're broadcasting at is displayed through LEDs right there. They're up here, and you do have a button right there to switch channels. They do, like I said, they do provide you with the instruction manual, and you could also find it online. And yeah, overall it's pretty cool. We will be building this soon. I do have a hyperlight build coming up on the channel very soon. I'm probably going to use this guy right here with some HDLRC 20 by 20 ESC and all that kind of crazy good stuff. But overall, I mean, you know, I really can't say much. Here it is. It's a VTX. It's nice. It's cheap. And we'll be building it soon, testing this guy out very soon on the channel. Also, we'll be doing the spectrum analysis of this guy and seeing how well he performs and all that kind of crazy good stuff once everything is ready. So that's going to conclude it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know. And I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.